Today, we're going to make an easy chicken noodle soup in less than 20 minutes. This is a classic soup that's healthy, comforting, and delicious. This is a great recipe for when you want a satisfying bowl of soup but don't have much time. At the end of the video, I'll explain why it's a great idea to keep some soup for the next day. To make our chicken noodle soup, we're going to use 1 pound of boneless chicken, 100 grams of pasta, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 celery stalks, 2 carrots, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of dried rosemary, 4 chicken broth cubes, 2 liters of cold water, and salt to taste. First, we'll roughly cut the onion, carrots, and celery into small pieces so they will cook faster. You don't have to be perfect, just try to make them about the same size. Then, we'll mince 4 garlic cloves. Next, we'll heat a large pot on medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the pot is hot, add the chicken and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until both sides are slightly brown. I'm using boneless chicken because it will cook faster than chicken that has bone. Next, add the onions, carrots, celery, garlic, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until fragrant. Then, add 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons dried rosemary, 4 chicken broth cubes, and turn the heat on high. Then, add 2 liters of cold water. It's better to use homemade chicken broth instead of chicken broth cubes if you can. If you want to learn how to make an easy, high-quality chicken broth, you can watch my other video that shows you exactly how. Next, remove the chicken from the pot and cut into small pieces. Then, add it back to the pot. When the water begins to boil, add 100 grams of pasta and cook for about 10 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Season with salt if you need, and pat yourself on the back because you just made chicken noodle soup in less than 20 minutes. Now the reason it's a great idea to keep some soup for the next day is because it will actually taste better. Giving the soup time to sit allows the flavors to combine further and the ingredients to absorb the soup for a tastier product overall.